Now with our main video imported, let me show you how to use the timeline a bit. You can expand and contract the scroll bar. The reason you can do this is you can zoom in on a particular second if you notice the timeline at the top, or you could see the entire half hour in one on your screen at the same time. We're going to go back to more of a normal view. Other things you should do. You can hit next to audio. Let's go ahead and expand this. I'm going to pull it down a bit, and you can actually see the sound waves as people are talking and discussing. All right, my first step is going to be cutting off the beginning stuff when students aren't even on stage yet. Ooh, I know I have a few minutes of this. So, and if you look, here's a big audio spike. So I wonder if something starts here. Oh, I see people coming out on stage. Looks like they're still getting ready though. Here's another spike. I wonder if that's a microphone. Something's getting loud. Aha, the lights went off. If you use the arrow keys, you can go back just tenths of a second to get it right to where you want it. I want it right there. Alrighty. Now I'm going to use the razor tool, which is right here. Click on that and cut. Now I'm going to go back to my mouse tool, click on the part before this. We don't need this. Delete. And to fill in this gap, because now it would have a minute of nothing, I'm going to right click on the space, ripple, delete, and it will move it over. Now, that was an autosave. Let's see the first little bit. So this camera was set in the back of the theater, obviously, and the image quality is not very high, but it does have the entire show. So we will be using it to kind of guide us as we're working. Let's go ahead. I'm going to skip ahead to find something I can use as an example. And with all the other parts right here, I can look for certain sections that maybe I have a better view of. This camera was on the other side of the stage. It got started a few minutes after the show began, and this one as well. Let's see what we got here. I'm going to drag this onto our timeline. Notice I'm putting it on video 2 and audio 2. This means, though, that we no longer see the original camera because this video is on top of it, as you can see. What I'm going to do is right-click on video 1 and audio 1 and uncheck enable. Now all we will see is this video 2 and here video 2 line. So let's see where this one starts. Figuring out where it starts lets us match them up, and we can smoothly switch from one camera to another without being too much of a distraction to the person viewing our video.